Clean that which is in the cup. Mm-hmm. 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 Clean that which is in the cup. Mm-hmm.
Shalom, and Yah bless in the name of our Messiah, Jesus Christ, Yeshua, Yahushai. Many of you call him by different names, but we understand who he is. He's our Lord and he's our Messiah, the one that sits upon the right-hand side of the throne in the seventh heaven. Remember, in Acts 20:35, the disciples was talking amongst themselves, and they remembered when the Lord spoke to them and taught them that it's better to give than to receive. They remembered that, and they were speaking amongst themselves in the book of Acts 20:35. And he spoke to them about that all the time that he was teaching them, walking and talking and dealing with them spiritually about opening their mind to connect with Yah on that level. And he said, it's better to give than to receive. And when he said that, he said it on all levels. See, when our Messiah said for us to do something, he always made the cup run over. Do you understand, Akim? And you believers in Yah. He always says something that meant something a little bit more. Like when he says, ask your brother to go with you a mile, he said, go twain with him, right? So understand, when the Messiah says it's better to give than to receive, he's talking on all levels of goodness. See, even though you might not be receiving peace right now, it's okay to give peace back. You might not have a lot of food right now, but it's okay to give some food to the poor. You understand? You may not have a lot of money right now, but it's still okay to donate. See, it's better to give than to receive. You might not be receiving nothing right now, but that should never prohibit you or hinder you from still doing your goodness that is within you. Because our Messiah told us to never let your shine and your light diminish that is within you. But what? Put it up high that all may see it. He was speaking about what? The spiritual knowledge of the mind. See? Doing good deeds, we should never forget, beloved. Never forget. So it's always better to give than to receive. You may have no peace right now in your life. Things may be going wrong, but still give peace back. You may not have nobody giving you any advice right now of the things that you're going through, the hardships that you're going through. But it's still okay to give some advice back. Do you understand? You may be having family problems. You may have death, destruction all around you. No hope. You may feel this way, but still offer some hope and encouragement back. Never let your circumstances hinder you from doing the will of the Most High, which is feeding the sheep which is among you, encouraging people to do well and connect with Yah. Never let that light that is within you diminish because of your circumstance. Our beloved Paul spoke about, I know how to abase and abound in the situations that present themselves before me. Look at the things that our Messiah went through, our Master, our Lord, the sufferings that he went through, but he still gave back food, encouragement, salvation, encouragement, hope, faith, trust, everything he gave back, even though he never received those things from anybody. Do you understand? So it's better to give than to receive. Understand what this means. Let your mind understand. Let your mind be open to the understanding of Yah, to be like him, to be one with him. It's still to be ridiculed, but never be a ridiculer. Do you understand? Someone to be slandered upon, but never be a slanderer. You understand? Be like him, and you can be in his place. The seventh heaven where the righteous rule. Do you understand? Where righteousness flows from. Let Yah bless you, beloved. You Gentiles and you Jews. All the believers of our Messiah, our Lord. Grace and mercy and peace be upon you. Shalom.